Before you scroll, listen to this for just 30 seconds. If you're a woman who dreams of supporting her family, giving her children a better education, and building a life with stability, not stress, this message is for you. I'm not famous. I'm not rich. I'm a beginner who decided to try. This is my first YouTube video, not for views, not for fame, but for my family and for women like you. If you're a woman who dreams of supporting her family, giving her children a better education, and building a life with stability, not stress, this message is for you. I'm not famous. I'm not rich. I'm a beginner who decided to try. This is my first YouTube video, not for views, not for fame, but for my family and for women like you. Every mother wants the same thing. A better life for her children, better education, more opportunities, less worry about tomorrow. I started this channel with fear in my heart and hope in my hands. If you're a woman trying to build something for her family from nothing, stay with me. This journey is for you. A message for every woman who is starting with a dream. This is not just my first YouTube video. This is my first step of courage. If you are watching this, I want you to know something very important from the beginning. This video is for you, for the woman who wakes up every day thinking about her family before herself, for the woman who counts expenses carefully and still smiles for her children, for the woman who dreams of a better life but sometimes feels scared to start, for the woman who has talent, passion and strength, but doubts herself. I see you. I am you. Today, I'm not here as an expert. I'm not here as a millionaire. I'm not here with fancy equipment or a perfect setup. I'm here as a beginner, with a heart full of hope and a reason bigger than fear. Why I started, and why you can too. I started this YouTube journey for one simple reason. My family. Like many women, my biggest dream is not luxury, it's stability. Not fame, it's security. Not perfection, it's progress. I want to support my family financially. I want to stand beside my partner, not behind him. I want my children to grow up knowing that their mother tried, truly tried, to give them a better future. Quality education for children is not a luxury, it's a right. And as mothers, we feel that responsibility deeply. Every book costs money. Every course costs money. Every opportunity costs money. And sometimes love alone is not enough. We need income, growth, and courage. That's why I'm here. To every beginner who feels not ready, let me tell you something honestly. You will never feel fully ready. You will never have the perfect time. You will never feel 100% confident. And that's okay. Most successful people didn't start confident. They started scared. They started confused. They started with zero experience, but they started anyway. If you are waiting for confidence, start with commitment. If you are waiting for perfection, start with progress. If you are waiting for approval, start with self-belief. Your first video doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be real. Fear is real, but so is your strength. Fear will whisper things like, who will watch you? What if you fail? What if people judge you? You are too late. Others are better than you. But let me remind you, fear doesn't mean stop. Fear means this matters. You are not too late. You are right on time for your journey. Someone out there needs your voice, your story, your effort. And even if only one person feels inspired by you, that is already success. Doing it for the children. When a mother works on her dream, she teaches her children something powerful. She teaches them courage over comfort, effort over excuses, growth over fear. Children don't just learn from what we say, they learn from what we do. When they see you trying, they learn to try. When they see you fall and rise again, they learn resilience. When they see you believe in yourself, they learn confidence. This is bigger than YouTube. This is about legacy. For women from small places with big dreams, you don't need to live in a big city. You don't need expensive tools. You don't need perfect English or a polished accent. You need a phone, an internet connection, a reason that keeps you going. Your background does not define your future. Your starting point does not limit your destination. Some of the strongest women come from the simplest places, and some of the most powerful stories come from ordinary lives. Progress over perfection. There will be days when views are low, days when motivation is gone, days when you question everything. Do not quit on those days. Success is not made in viral moments. Success is made in consistent effort. Show up tired, show up scared, show up unsure. Just show up. Even slow progress is still progress. You are not just a housewife or just a beginner. You are a learner, a creator, a provider, a role model. You are allowed to dream. You are allowed to earn. You are allowed to grow. Supporting your family does not make you less feminine. Wanting financial independence does not make you selfish. It makes you strong. A promise to myself and to you. With this first video, I make a promise. I will not give up easily. I will learn even when it's hard. I will improve even when it's slow. I will keep going for my family, my children, and myself. And if you are watching this and thinking of starting, let this be your sign. Start messy. Start scared. Start small. But start. Star LW, final words from the heart. This channel is not about overnight success. It's about real women, real struggles, and real growth. If you are a beginner, welcome. If you are a mother, welcome. If you are dreaming of a better lifestyle and quality education for your children, welcome home. We rise together. We learn together. We grow together. This is only the beginning. As this video comes to an end, I just want to say thank you from my heart. Thank you for giving your time to a beginner who decided to try instead of waiting. This channel is about real life, real effort, and real growth. There will be lessons, challenges, and progress along the way, and I'm choosing to stay consistent, even when it's hard. If this video inspired you even a little, let it be your sign to believe in yourself and keep going. Dreams grow when we don't give up on them. This is just the beginning of my journey, and maybe the beginning of yours too. Thank you for being here. Stay hopeful, stay strong, and never stop trying.